Hi everyone, Tommy here with Safe Life. Today we're going to explore the Zoll AED Plus, a life-saving device that's more than just a defibrillator, it's your partner in emergencies. With advanced features that guide you through CPR and defibrillation, the AED Plus is designed to support users at every experience level, from first-time responders to a trained professional. Let's dive into what makes the Zoll AED Plus stand out. One of the AED Plus's standout features is its Real CPR Help technology, which provides real-time feedback during chest compressions. This unique system uses both audio and visual cues to guide your compressions, instructing you to push harder when needed or confirming good compressions when you're on track. By ensuring high-quality CPR, the AED Plus can make a critical difference in a rescue situation. The device is designed with ease of use in mind, featuring CPR pads, a one-piece electrode that's simple to position correctly. These pads also include a built-in rescue kit, complete with scissors, gloves, and mask, so you're fully prepared to handle any emergency. This thoughtful design minimizes stress and confusion during critical moments. Durability is another key strength of the Zoll AED Plus. With an IP55 rating, its resistance to dust and water, making it reliable in even the toughest environments. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, the AED Plus is built to withstand extreme temperatures, so you can trust it to perform in a wide variety of settings. The device also features long-life consumables with both the battery and pads lasting up to 5 years. This extendable lifespan reduces maintenance costs and ensures that the AED Plus is always ready to go when you need it the most. For pediatric rescues, the Zoll AED Plus is equipped with PediPad 2 electrodes, which automatically adjust the device's settings to deliver appropriate treatment for children under 8 years old or weighing less than 55 pounds. The pediatric capability makes it a versatile choice for schools, family areas, or other child-focused environments. The AED Plus is designed to be rescue ready at all times, performing regular self-tests to ensure it's in working order. If the device detects an issue that requires attention, it alerts you. It gives you confidence that it will perform when every second counts. For organizations managing multiple AEDs, the optional Plus Track program simplifies device management. It tracks battery life, pad expiration dates, and helps maintain compliance with regulations and ensures your entire AED fleet is always rescue ready. The Zoll AED Plus comes with a 5-year warranty, which can be extended to 7 years with online registration. In addition, Zoll provides comprehensive support and resources, helping users feel confident in the device's reliability and performance. The Zoll AED Plus is a powerful, easy-to-use device that goes beyond defibrillation. It provides real-time CPR guidance, performs self-checks to maintain readiness, and is built to withstand a wide range of environments. Whether you're equipping a workplace, public space, or a family setting, the AED Plus is a reliable choice you can always count on. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions or you want to learn more, our team is always here to help. Stay safe.